Okay, everybody, so it's 6:25 a.m. in the morning, and I was downstairs on the main floor, and they don't have nothing. What's good? So now I'm just preparing. I'm very tired as, and oh, finally is gone. Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and shout out to all my haters. So today in this video is the first time I'm doing a get ready with me. So I'm in the hotel, Delta Hotel, and I'm working from Sicily. I'm in Toronto. So are you ready to get ready with me? So this is what I look like. Very tired. Okay, girl, the queen just wake up. So it's already 8 o'clock a.m. You can see, my god, I'm so tired about the fucking alarm. Sorry about the word, but like I was so like in my dream, and then this alarm just wake me up. I'm like, what the? I'm like, oh my god, I'm so tired, and then I have to go work. I have to prepare myself. Are you ready? Are you ready? This gonna change with the makeup, the power of makeup. Oh my god, I'm so tired, seriously. Okay guys, let me take a little bit of a quick shower and I will come back soon. Okay guys, so I just finished to take my shower, so let's ready to prep this skin. What it look like, oh my god, and the t-shirt of Sicily. Shout out to all Sicily team. So I'm gonna moisturize my face, and this one I have a demonstration about the Sicily youth. I'm gonna use this. I like it, love it, want it, and let's put it. Let's prep your skin right there. If you listen a background, because I like to put it music when I do my makeup, because that's me. So perfect. Let's put it a little bit more. This cream, it smells so good. So now my skin is flawless, it's hydrated. Let me put the eye contact, because you can see I have blue eyes. Shout out to all people who have blue eyes. I don't hate. Whatever, I don't hate. I don't know why I put it a towel on my hair. Like, I don't have a lot of hair, but I'm so extra. So right now my eye contact is right there. So now I'm gonna put it the primer. Which primer I use? So I use the kit of Fenty Beauty. This one I love it because everything can handle inside. My brushes, you can see like this, everything, and they have 3 packets. You can put it everything you want. So for the primer, I don't know which one I'm gonna use, because I have the Liz Watier. This one is discontinued, so don't try to look at it because it's not there anymore. It's discontinued. So this one is a primer, like mattifying primer. So I'm gonna put it on my T-zone right there. So the primer is there. Can you see a difference? No. Okay. Next, oh my god, this stuff, like, I'm not used to it. Perfect. So now we're gonna do the foundation, and my foundation for right now to get ready with me when I go work, because I don't want to feel like full coverage like I do on my videos. I want to do something more like light but coverage, dewy effect, we can say. So that's why I use the Studio Mac, and this one you can see I'm already gone, and this one is the C6. So this is what it looks like, almost done. And I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star with Murphy. I'm gonna do it like this. Poker face. And here we go. Let's buffing like this. You can see it's so easy. Perfect color, but this one is oxidized. So if you're looking for a foundation of MAC Studio, this one, the powder one, I think you have to go with one shade more lighter, because this one is oxidized. Okay, don't forget the ear here. Oh no, because I'm gonna wear some white t-shirt and I don't want to get transfer. So the second one, what I like to do is do with the bronzer. So I'm gonna use the Studio MAC, and this one is NW45. It's a foundation, but for me I use it like a bronzer because my friend gave me that. I just like, I don't know what to do with this. I'm like, I'm gonna take it because I'm gonna use it like a bronzer. So I do it like here, here, et voila. The other side as well. Here, here, et voila. So for contouring my nose, I'm gonna use the Jacqueline here with Murphy. It's a flat brush. I love it because the detail of doing a line so straight. Here we go. You can see the line? Yes. Oh my god. This one here. I'm just gonna be a little. Oh yes. Contour nose. You can see. Oh yes. Snatch. And then with another one like this. This is a Jeffree Star with Murphy. I'm gonna blend. Oh my god. Seriously, it's so difficult to do a video with my iPhone and the light is not good at all. On makeup, rule number one, it's you have to blend. Let me fix my towel. You have to blend because this is the way you're gonna be more beautiful diffusion of your skin. And you see, did you see something? Did you see something? No, because everything is blend. Perfect. So now what I'm doing, yeah, perfect. Yeah, so now we're gonna bake. So I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty, and this one is the Universal Invisible Matte. So with the sponge, you already know like I use this. So I'm gonna do it under the eyes, like this. We have Cassie on the air. So like this, under the eyes. So this is what it looks like when I'm doing, yes. Yes, yes. And here a little bit more. Under the eyes. Et voila. Oh my god, this stuff, like, I don't know why girls you can handle this. Like with me, I'm starting getting like annoying with this. Okay, we're gonna leave it bake. So let's do the eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Benefit, and this one is the Golf Proof oh my god, brow pencil. So this is what it looks like, and this one is the shade 5. So let me do with the eyebrows. I want you to see how I do my eyebrows. So first of all, I brush it. I brush it right here. I don't know, you can see, yeah, because I have my mirror right there. So I want to, let's do this. Normally I get it more closer, but I want you to see. Yes, yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there, girl. And then you do it like false hair. This pencil is so pigmented. You have to be careful, just put it tiny. Okay. Oh, come through, you can see. So now I finished to bake, so I'm gonna remove everything like this, like that. Here, always is the setting powder or the powder one, you just fix it. Perfect. And now I'm gonna use, oh my god, this one is one of my favorite. I use it every day. I cannot like leave without that because I have, when I go working, I have to put it this one. And this one is the Blur Expert by Sisley. You see, this one is so gorgeous. So this one, I put it like a luminous effect. So I put it on my T-zone here, and then here. You can see. Et voila. Just right there. Because this one gives you more a luminous effect, but I love it, and my skins look more gorgeous. And they give you, oh, you can see, they give you a little bit more luminous. Ooh, yeah. Natural like always. Perfect. Next, when I finish to do it, my highlighter, we can say with the Sisley one, I'm gonna go back with the bronzer, like the MAC one I just showed you, and going back again. So now we're gonna do a setting spray, and this one I think, I don't remember, I think it's the Lisoitier one, so let's do this. Et voila, and then with the Patretta, of course, let's all melt. Mama, all the powder has to be melt. Oh my god. Yeah, and you can see the difference, like, oh my god, yeah. It's very natural, what I like it, with the water, and this one go in the lash line. Because with the foundation, if you put it too much on your lashes, it gonna apparize the foundation. So now I just gonna brush it like that with water, then just take it off all the foundation or in the lashes, just like that. I really love it, this brush. This one is the MAC one. I just do it like that with water only, or you can do it with setting spray. It's right this. You can see all the foundation just came out. Wow, it's amazing. And now I'm gonna color a little bit my beard. So this one I'm gonna use a mascara, and this one is a brown one from Sephora. I think it's discontinued, I'm not sure. I just gonna put it a little bit on my fingers, not the brush directly because it's gonna be so heavy. And then I'm just gonna do it like this. Just cover all the white spot, we can say, not the white spot, they have some spot is not even, so I just wanted to cover it with the color, then everything gonna be better. Yeah, you can see now, you can see, but this is what it look like. I really love it, so natural. I'm gonna go outside, you can see with the light. See, let's see outside. This is what it look like, guys. Oh, perfect. Like very 10 minutes, I think, so they take me. So let's see with the light. And this towel make me like, oh my god. You can see the makeup very faster, 10 minutes, and you have this. Can we see it more? Yeah, look. Look how beauty and how natural are this. I don't know if people can see me like they're like, what's good? What's good? So this one is so pretty. What the fuck? Okay, excuse me, can I do my video like without you? Okay, but you can see the makeup is on point, it's blended. I told you, like with the setting spray, it's everything because it's gonna melt all your face. No, I mean your makeup, and this is what it looks like. Wow. Do you like it? You don't like it? Get ready with me. Very simple, 10 minutes and ready to go. So see you in few seconds. Okay guys, so I just dressed up right now, and this is what it looks like with my hair already done and my skin. You can see, oh my god, so natural, flawless, all the hidden imperfection. What's good? Perfect skin, perfect makeup. So this is what it looks like with the light. Let's see if we can see more. Yeah, like take it off this, like, yeah, you can see. This is what it looks like, my outfit. Very basic, very something classic. Désir, what does that mean? Désir is like désir in English. So in French it's désir. So this is what it looks like, my outfit. I don't know if you like it. The makeup at some point, I really love it. My fresh cut hair as well. Oh my god, you can see right now like the different, ooh, come through, so natural, no filter. I know I did like a little bit of filter, like I don't know, like on the beginning of the video, but now no filter, all the glow, it's through, all the glow is natural with all the flawless makeup. I'm really happy, so let's go with that. This is so pretty. Look at it. So we're going home. We're going working with my beautiful Alvin. Say hi to everyone.
Hey, hello everybody.
So he's the hairdresser and the makeup artist from Sisley. Shout out to all the Sisley team.
Yeah.
Bon, regardez comment il est tellement professionnel, mon cher Alvin. Il fait l'analyse de la tête pour les produits ciselés. Alvin. Okay guys, so I just finished my routine of work. I mean, I finished to work. You can see on my face is already tired. I have to go sleep. So don't forget, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome. And see you every Thursday for a new video.